You don't have to play mind games to be unforgettable. If you want her thinking about you long after the conversation ends, there are real, genuine ways to build that kind of attraction. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that naturally. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Wendyzeal, and in today's video, we're looking at 5 powerful things that you can start to do in order to leave a lasting impression on a woman's mind. The kind that keeps her thinking about you non-stop. Let's get into it. One of the simplest and yet most powerful way to stand out in a woman's mind is to be fully present with her. In this present age of social media and smartphones, it's almost as if it's becoming impossible to be fully present with a woman. But I tell you, one of the ways you can make her think about you non-stop is when she feels that you are there with her. Not just by being there physically, but she understands that whatever she's saying to you, that you're truly understanding and you truly hear her. This is one of the things that will single you out from every other person she meets. Let's say you're out on a date and you're having a discussion, and maybe she's just telling you something that to you is not so interesting, okay? You don't even know why she's sharing that kind of story. But then you show her that you're interested in the talk and you ask her even thoughtful questions. That alone is going to make her think about you even after the conversation is over. Most people are only half listening, and even when they are already thinking about the right kind of response to give. And but when you're just there and you're listening, not because you want to respond, but because you want to understand her perspective, and giving her that steady eye contact, trust me, that is enough for her to think about you. So being attentive is not about grand gestures, but it's about giving her the gift of your full attention. And when you do that consistently, she will think about you, because presence creates connection, and connection is unforgettable. Being too clingy and too attached is one of the fastest ways to make a woman lose attraction for you. There's this thing about purposeful living. Okay, and especially for a man, even for a woman is important, but then especially for a man, when you're living a purposeful life, when you're busy working on your own thing, when you have a life outside that relationship, it makes you very attractive, because now you're not loitering around being too available, because when something is too available, it loses value. A lot of people are saying this, but just hear it now and let it sink. When something is too available, it loses value. When you're always calling, texting, some people even call 10 times a day. Honestly, if I'm in a relationship with you and you call me 10 times a day, I'm not going to see that as a sign of love. I'll think you're just being obsessed. Because who is that person that is gainfully employed and very busy working on his own goals and objectives, that has time to be calling his girlfriend or his woman 10 times a day? It's somehow. Maybe you're in a relationship with a woman and she's always calling you. She will call you, she'll send 5 messages, 6, like she's always calling you. Sometimes it's obsession. And when people do not have life outside the relationship, they tend to be too dependent on that relationship for everything. It's not as if it's bad to be friends with the person you're dating, but you need to also have a life outside that relationship. For me, I think that is what makes it whole. A healthy relationship is that which exists between two wholesome people. Okay, I'm here, I'm doing my own thing, I have a life of my own outside the relationship. He's there, he's doing his own thing, he has a life of his own outside the relationship. When we come together, it's always a refreshing and interesting time. Don't be too clingy to a woman just because you think that you love her. You might be thinking that you're being romantic and all, but at the end of the day, it's going to make you lose her, because she will feel overwhelmed. She will feel like you're pressing her down with so much appearance, too much being there. She's saying, "Where are you? Can you come?" And you're already at the doorstep. Like, live a purposeful life. Have a purpose. Everybody has one. Find out what it is and just focus on your dreams. And even that in itself will make you more attractive and make her think about you non-stop. Being a gentleman has to do with small gestures you make out of love. All right, something as simple as opening the car door for her, or maybe, sometimes in this part of the world, sometimes I see a couple walking and I see the man in front and the woman is behind. And in my mind, I'm like, this arrangement is somehow. Because it might just be that the man is innocently doing it. He doesn't really understand that that is somehow wrong. But if you're working with a woman you love, a woman that is your wife or your wife to be, she's supposed to be in front of you. You're supposed to be a covering behind her. You're supposed to be a protection behind her. All of these things matters, and we think about it. Okay, I shouldn't be working with the man I love and he's there working far, 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 and I'm behind him trying to catch up. It's just like walking on the streets with a small child. Are you going to hold the hand of that baby, or you're going to allow the child walk behind you? Same applies to a woman. It's either you're walking side by side, holding hands, or she's in front of you and you are behind her as a covering. Let's understand this. My African brothers, especially, we do this a lot. Maybe you want to enter the church auditorium and the usher is there with broad smile to welcome you, and the man is in front, just going first before his wife will now enter. Calm down. I know you think that this is nothing, especially with the way the situation is now. A lot of people will be like, yeah, but that's not the most important thing. Woman just wants money, give her money, and everything is fine. If I like, let me be in Jericho, she's in Jamaica, she's still going to be there. Well, some things are just true no matter the times you find yourself, no matter what is happening around you. If you want her to think about you and see you like a real gentleman that you are, then you need to learn how to do these small gestures, like opening the car door, let her walk in front of you or beside you, holding her side by side, or you can even be raising the toilet seat when you use it, or at least leaving that toilet cleaner than it was before you went to use it. Like, these are very small things that even if you don't do them, nobody's going to question you, nobody's going to say anything to you. But then, if you really want to leave a lasting impression in a woman's mind, then I assure you, if you do these things, you would achieve that. If you're dating a beautiful woman or you're married to a beautiful woman, chances are that she's always receiving compliments that has to do with her beauty. Someone is like, oh, your wife is so beautiful. Oh, she's this, she's that. If you're able to see beyond her physical beauty and compliment her on the things that are not easily seen with the naked eyes, she would appreciate it more and think about you the more. For me personally, I appreciate compliments that doesn't have to do with the way I look, but has to do with things that maybe my brain is doing, or maybe, like those instinctive values that your woman carries. If you're able to identify those things and appreciate her on that level, then she will think about you the more. Let's say it's a marriage settings, okay? I don't even know why I'm always using this marriage as an example. Anyways, if you're watching me and you're not married, just assume that you're learning for the future, okay? So let's say it's a marriage setting and she's taking care of the kids, the home front. Every day you come back home, your house is sparkly, the laundry is done, everything is well arranged. You appreciating her for doing that will make her think about you. So look out for qualities that are not visible to the human eyes. And when you appreciate her in this way, it will make her feel seen, it will make her feel loved, it will make her think that, okay, you actually see me, you see the things that I do, and you value me for who I am, not for the things you see on the physical. Okay, it's so important, and this will make her think about you non-stop. Try it. Think about that thing that you've not done before and then try to do it together. Let it be something that you're both interested in. Maybe let's say you want to take a class, maybe a cooking class, for example, or maybe a musical instrument class, something that you've not done before, and then she's interested in it. Doing it together is going to make you bond. And when you bond, trust me, women, we are emotional people. Okay, just understand that we think about things deeper. We always go beyond the surface level. Unlike our counterparts, the men. Okay, men are not so emotional, so to speak. But then for a woman, everything that touches her emotions has touched her heart, and you are going to be in her heart. All right, these are the things that will make a woman think about you non-stop. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed talking to you, okay? And if you like this video, make sure to check the one on the screen. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye-bye.